let's learn how to make a spiral, like ice cream cone. So here is a Bezier curve, and the Bezier curve, if you look in right here, you can go Shift A and curves, Bezier curve, and it creates this curve like this. And the way that you can manipulate it is it has these tangents right here, so you can create this. And I made the Bezier curve go around in a spiral around a cone. So I created the Bezier curve. That's just my example right here. And you can see that it kind of curves around and it spirals around. And once I have that made, then I'm going to go to my curve feature right here. And there's geometry, texture space. I'm going to go to geometry. I'm going to go to depth, and that's going to extrude this out, something like this. And then I'm going to change my resolution to be a little more round. And it's a nice circular, maybe let's go 16. Alright, and it's looking pretty good, but I have this weird flat part here. And you'll notice that I fill in the caps here. So this is good from one direction. That looks kind of like the top of an ice cream cone. But I want to fix this part right here. So now I'm going to take this and I'm going to go to Object, and I'm going to convert it from curve to mesh. So now it's going to be a polygon. So I go here, and you can see that I have my polygons here, and I'm going to select some faces here. Select circle. I'm going to select delete these faces. Delete the faces. Delete these faces. Alright, and now I'm going to select some edges. I'm going to press Option and left click, and that when you press Option and left click, it selects all around here. And then I'm going to scale this down a little bit. I'm going to do the same thing here. Scale it down just a bit. Go back here. And now I'm going to extrude it out. And I'm going to scale it down a bit. And extrude it out. Scale it down a bit. Extrude it out. Scale it down. And bring it down a bit. And that's looking a lot nicer right there. Kind of looks like ice cream right here. So I want to render this out. And my light right here. I can turn on my limbo, and it kind of has a nice ice cream kind of look to it.